Hello everyone, this is Rodivi here from Radical Reviews, and today I'm really excited to show you a really nice action camera, and this is the CCbetter 1080p Wi-Fi action camera. And as you can see here, it has a really attractive look to it. Now I'm going to try to walk you through all the features of this camera and try to show you all the pieces that it comes with, because this camera is really versatile. So first of all, right here we have the power option, so we're going to go ahead and turn it on. And first and foremost, this thing has an included screen, so you can actually see here everything that you're recording. Wi-Fi mode allows you to extend that video feature to your actual phone so that you have the camera in another place, and then you're able to record things on the camera itself by looking it through another place. Now right here on the top you have the record function. Right here are the Wi-Fi functions. Right here are the extensions, so you have the HDMI out so that you can play to your TV. You have the SD card button option. You have the actual charger so that you can charge the batteries that the camera brings. Now around the camera there are different microphones so that you can get stereo sound from it. And right here on the bottom is where the battery is located. So let's go ahead and start, because I got so many things to show you. First of all, it brings the casing. So this is a waterproof casing that you're able to seal and keep the camera inside. That way you can go diving with it, and it's got the option to mount it right here in case you want to mount it on your head with a diving piece or anything like that. It brings this two clips right here, so I'm just going to walk you through all the actual accessories that it brings with. This is all included on the package that you're getting on the camera. So as you can see here, this has a 1/4-inch screw so that you can put different clips in here. You can actually use all the different clips I'm going to show you. This is another clip that you can use on your hat or your clothing, and then you can also use on the chest pieces right here. This is a motorcycle clip or a mount that you can use to ride on your motorcycle and attach the camera over here on this side. These are different features that you can attach on top of the motorcycle mount or any of the other mounts that you have here. You have different sizes that you're able to use, and it brings different screws as well, so you're never going to run out of screws. This one is in case you want to put it like this and then you want to record sideways, so you have plenty of features. This one is so you can use it with a selfie stick. You can actually insert the camera inside, and then it's got a 1/4-inch screw up here. It's got another 1/4-inch screw up here, so you have options as far as how you want to use this piece. You can also use this to attach it to drones, so that's a side note in there. You have another piece right here so that you can attach it to the other one that we had before. So for example, if you have this piece right here, you can attach it to a helmet, and then this piece will slide in and actually connect. Let me use the other one, because you can use the 1/4-inch screw, and then you can use this one up from the other side to actually go in here and connect. So different options, many options. You get a battery. Not only do you get this battery, but you get a second battery. So it brings two batteries in this package. Not one, once again, but two batteries that you're able to use in here. It also brings a wall charger with that, and you get the cable so that you can actually charge the batteries. You get a 1/4-inch screw so that you can use with that other piece I showed you, or you can use this with a selfie stick. Most selfie sticks include a screw. You can also use this piece right here, as you can see on the bottom, so you have the actual screw, or if one comes with a screw already, then you have the ability to connect this one to it. And then you have another one of these belt buckle pieces that you can use to connect it. I'm going to show you, now that we're pretty much going through them, how it actually works in here. So this one would actually slide in and connect in there, and then once you hear that click, it stays in place. You remove this part right here, and then the camera will be inside this piece, and you will connect it to the actual helmet. All these pieces that I've shown you, or most of them, have 3M tape on the bottom so that you can securely connect them. In addition to all that, you also get a couple of cable ties or zip ties, and you get a metal string as well with 3M taping so that you can replace the other ones I showed you. In addition to all that, you do have an English manual with pictures. Really nice work on this manual, because this camera has so many features that you are going to have to actually go through them to take advantage of all of them. Just to read you some of the features that the camera has, I'm going to go ahead and walk you through them here. You can take 12 megapixel pictures, and the maximum resolution is 1080p 30 frames per second. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you some of the features in here, and I'm gonna put a picture as I'm speaking about these on the side. You have resolution, you have TV out, OSD mode, you have time-lapse record functions, you have capture mode, you have cyclic record, you have HDR functions, you have motion detection functions, you have audio functions, you have date stamping, image sizing, quality functions, you have sharpness functions, you have white balance, color, ISO, and exposure, as well as anti-shaking functions. You are able to change the language, you're able to change the daytime, auto power off functions, beep sound, TV mode, and screensavers that you're able to set. You have a frequency function, you are able to rotate, you have a car mode function, you have a Wi-Fi, SSD, and Wi-Fi password that you're able to set. And you also have the option to delete or format your SD card, in addition to default settings, and it actually tells you the version setting in the camera. So this is all capabilities that the camera itself has. Now to the best part, I'm gonna go ahead and record some video with this camera, and I will let you judge on the quality. If you're watching this video on Amazon, make sure you visit my YouTube channel, because I will have the HD version of this video in there, so that you're able to watch that and judge it a little bit better. Amazon quality is a little bit lower, so you're able to see that difference. So let's go ahead and play some video and show you how this kind of looks. I hope you like this camera as much as I did, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care, guys.